Okay, so now I'm going to go over lesson 1, ratios, and I love ratios. Ratios are comparing two things. So there are 3 ways that you can write a ratio. The first one could be like this with the dots in between it. This means 5 to 6. The second way you can write it is 5 to 6. And then the last way that you can write it is a fraction. So those are the 3 ways that you can write a ratio. And this could mean like, I like basketball. So 5 made shots to 6 shots taken. Okay. So now your first few questions, and these are on your lesson. They just want you to simplify these. So first we've got 3 over 15. What can go into 3 and into 15? We just need to divide the top and the bottom by the same number. 3 can go into both, right? So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 3/15 simplified is 1/5. These are straight from your lesson, so you should get these ones right. Okay, what can go into 6 and into 20? I know 2 can, because they're both even. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 20 divided by 2 is 10. There you go. Okay, now this one, when you have a bigger number on the top, it means divided by. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. What goes into 4 and into 40? 4, right? 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 40 divided by 4 is 10. There you go. Now, these are not all of the questions, but there's 4 right off the bat. And the first 2 questions are vocabulary, which you have the vocabulary there for you. Okay, so here's another one. It tells you exactly what to do. 3 times 2 equals something, and 5 times 2 equals 10. Well, what's 3 times 2? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, 6. Now, this one doesn't tell you what you're multiplying, but 5 times something equals 15. What is that? 5, 10, 15. It's times 3. So 10 times 3 equals what? 10, 20, 30. There you go. Okay, so now you have sentences, and you have to figure out the ratio and then simplify. So the first example that you're given, it says, on a farm, there's 75 pigs, 18 horses, 130 cows, 25 chickens. Sorry, I said kitchens. So it wants to know the ratio of pigs to cows. That's easy. Find the number of pigs, there's 75, to, sorry, my 5 looks really bad, cows, 130. Then it wants you to simplify it. That's the hard part. You have to figure out a number that goes into each of these and then simplify it. Okay, so any number that ends in 5 or 0 can be divided by 5. So 75 divided by 5 would be 15, and 130 divided by 5 is 26. So when you reduce this, the ratio is 15 to 26, okay? Now we have another question with the same numbers. So this time we need to know horses to chickens. So there are 18 horses and 25 chickens. So I'll go ahead and write that here. 18 horses, 25 chickens. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 aren't, 6, and none of those numbers go into 25. So this is it simplified. You don't have to do anything else to that. Okay, and your last 2 questions, I'm running out of time, are about graphs. It gives you some numbers that you have to graph. So it tells you cups are on the bottom, people are on the side. The first 2 numbers, it says one cup for 5 people. So you go over to 1 cup, and you find out where the 5 is on the other part, and you put your first dot. The next number would be 2 and 6. So go over to 2 on the cups and 6 to people, and you keep doing that until your line is finished, okay? Just do your X first, and that's it.